Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert Word to Excel without losing formatting. Open the Word document to see the content to be converted. We are going to select this text and from the Insert menu, click on Table and choose the option, Convert Text to Table. In this pop-up window, we activate the box, Paragraphs and Separate Text in. Click on OK and we will see the change. After this, from the File menu, we click on Save As. We select the location. In the Save As type field, we choose Plain Text. We assign the name and click on Save. In the pop-up window, we choose OK. After this, we open Excel. There in the Data menu, we click on the From Text option. We choose the file we save and click on Import. In the window that appears, we will click on Transform Data. In the new sheet, we confirm the values and click on Close and Load. Now the data will be available in Excel. Here you can save this book in Excel format, and thus we have converted the content from Word to Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.